Hello students, welcome to all of you here on our YouTube channel. Today we are going to study the remaining part from exercise 1.1 here from standard 9th mathematics part 1. In the last video we are studied the rule method, and in this video we are going to study about the rule method examples related with exercise 1.1 here. Okay students, now look here. In exercise 1.1, question number 2 here, write the following statement in words. In this, the first statement is given for us. 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. We have to write this statement in words. Okay. So this symbol indicates that number belongs to that type of set here. So in case of this, we have to write our answer now. We have to write our statement this way. 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Is an element of set Q. Now second one more, another example here. -2 here does not belongs to natural number, that n indicates natural number here. So we have to write in our statement now. -2 is not belongs to as well as we have to write is not belongs to set n, is not belongs to set n, as well as you can write here also. Okay, your second statement is also correct here. -2 is not element of set n. Set n means natural number here, and that -2 indicate here this is integer here. -2 means integer here. Now the third one here, look, the next one, the third one here, p equals to, inside a curly bracket, p oblique p is an odd numbers, is an odd numbers here, is an odd numbers set here. Now look carefully, we have to write the statement in our in statement form, so that's why we have to write this way here. Now set p means this one. Set p is set of all p odd numbers. Okay, this is the example here. This is symbolic. Okay, this is symbolic form here, and this is statement here. Now next question from exercise 1.1 here, question number 3 here. Write any two sets by listing method and by rule method here. This question is open-ended question. Okay, we have different choices here. We have to write any two sets by list method and by rule method here. Now example of here listing method. In our answer we have to write example of listing method. Write here list method. So in this case we have to write any two examples in list form here. Suppose I write here one example. Suppose set A is, we have to write here, suppose set of odd number, between 1 to 10. Look here, set of odd numbers between 1 to 10. So we have to write here now. We have to writing only odd numbers here. That time here set represented by capital letter. We have to list all the elements inside the curly bracket. Odd numbers, the first one is but the word is here between. So that's why we have to begin from 3 now. Okay, between means that middle numbers. In between that two numbers, 3, then 5, then 7, then 9 here. Okay, these are the odd numbers here. Next one, second example here, suppose I write here B. Okay, I write here, suppose X oblique X is a letter of word. I write here, suppose Pune. Okay, now in this we have to write one by one alphabet. Okay, in any one sequence means in the list form. So that's why our answer here now, the set is represented by B. So write here B equals to inside a curly bracket. First we have to write that P, then next letter U, use comma between each element, then N, and then E, complete the bracket. This is the list method here. Now next we have to write now another two examples here of rule method here. We have to write two examples of rule method now. In this we have to write, suppose set A here, I write suppose A equals to inside a curly bracket 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, in this we have to write first rule method means which type of number these are. So we have to identify this one. So that's why we have to write this way here in rule method. A equals to inside a curly bracket X oblique X here, which is equal to here. These are the multiples of 5. So that's why we have to write 5n here and check that n belongs to natural number and that n is less than how much. Check here, 5 4 are 20. That's why these are less than 5 here, that multiples are less than 5 here. This is one. Suppose I am taking another one here. Look here, suppose I write here the second example. Now B here, we have to write same way here by rule method. Here in this, suppose I write here numbers like, as well as I'm taking some alphabets here like P, then N, then E, suppose here. So we have to make a meaningful word here now from the given letters. We have to write now here B equals to here X oblique X is a letter of word pen, P-E-N, pen. So this is our example here. Okay student, now look here, next question, question number 4 from exercise 1.1 here. In this question number 4, write following sets using listing method. In this question we have to write the given sets by using list method. The first example is here, all months in Indian solar year. All months in Indian solar year means we have to write the name of the Marathi months here. So the first one, Marathi year is begins with Chaitra. Right now here Chaitra, then Vaishak here, okay, Chaitra, Vaishak, but we have to indicate that said by any one letter here. Use the curly bracket, Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Jyesht, then Ashad, then Shravan, then Bhadrapad, then after that Ashwin, Kartik, Margashirs. Next, Paush, Magh, and last one, Phalgun. Complete the bracket. These are the Marathi months. Check here how many months are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 months are in a Marathi year also. Second question now. Let us in the word complement. Name of state is not mentioned here. So that's why we have to represent them by using capital letter B here. Okay, our word is here complement. So from that we have to write that C first. Okay, here is capital letters, so that's why I write here capital letters. C, then O, then M, then P, then L, then E, then M. M is repeated here and here. No need to write, no need to repetition of that M. So after E, M, we have to E is also repeated here and here. So then write N and then finally T. Complete the bracket. This is list method here. Okay, now the third one, set of human sensory organs here. Okay, all of you know we studied in science how many sensory organs human have. So human being have 5 sensory organs. Which are these? Okay, you know here, tongue, then skin, nose, ears, and the last one is eye. Is your answer here. Now next one here, set of prime number between 1 to 20. Set of prime number between 1 to 20. Okay student, now look here, the next one here, set of prime numbers between 1 to 20. We have a limit is given, means a limit is given for us 1 to 20. We have to write only the prime numbers. So that's why we have to write, you know, the first prime it begins with 2 always, then 3, then 5, then next one 7, 9 is not prime, then after 9, 10, then 11 directly, then 13, then 15 is not prime, then 17, and at last 19 is there. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Now look the next question, name of the continents of the world. So in this we know there are 7 continents in the world. So right now suppose E is equal to, inside a curly bracket I write first Asia, then Africa and South Africa same here, then Europe, next one Australia, next one Antarctica, next one South America, and the last one North America. Name of continent of the world, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, and North America. Okay student, this is from exercise 1.1 here. Thank you students watching for this video here. Okay student, now look here, next question here, question number 5 from exercise 1.1. In this question, write the following sets using rule method. First, one set is given for us 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. If you look carefully, these numbers are the perfect square number. So that's why we have to write in our answer A is equal to, inside a curly bracket, x oblique x. Which type of these number? These number are the perfect square numbers. So we have to write here perfect square number means n square. And this n belongs to natural number here. And okay, all these numbers are less than 10 here. So we have to write here that n is less than 10 here. Now second one, if you look set B, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. These numbers are the multiples of 6 here. So we have to write b is equal to inside a curly bracket x oblique x belong is equal to 6n, means multiple of 6, and that n belongs to natural number, and here that n is less than 9 here. If you look which is this multiple, 6 8s are 48, so that 6 8s are 48 means this is less than 9 here. Now third one question here, some of the letters are given for us. C equals to SMILE. So in your answer we have to write here, suppose y oblique y is a letter, in the word, which word here? Smile. SMILE. We have to form a meaningful word here, which a letter from word smile here. Now student, look here, the next question here said the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday here. If you look carefully, these are the days of a week here. So we have to write here D is equal to inside a curly bracket. Suppose if you use Z letter, Z oblique Z is a day, of week, is a day of week here. Now next one, set E here, AET. We have to make a meaningful word now here. So that's why we have to write here E is equal to here. Wait a minute. I hope X is there in your textbook. So no problem. Mention here X. So that's why. Right here now below also X here. X is equal to here. We have to write now Y oblique Y is a letter in the word it, EAT, it, as well as you can write here TEAT also here. Okay student, thank you for watching this video here.